In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a THULE, I don't know how to pronounce it, crossbar on a Hyundai Santa Fe 2017, and I got it from eTrailer, which came in this big box. And in that big box, I ordered 3 items. So the first one is the SquareBar Evo 118, the Rapid Podium, this particular one, and then kit 4029, and this is what comes in the box. So this is your crossbar. Notice I already installed one of them. So you're gonna get your crossbar on that box, and it's also gonna come with this, which is the cover that goes here at the end. Then for a Rapid Podium, I believe this one, which is just a cover, is gonna come with this screw that goes right here. And then these I actually didn't even need. So I believe these are for a different part, but I didn't need it for my build. And then this is the kit 4029. And this one hangs onto the flush rails that are in my car, which you'll see later. And this goes basically inside of this, and this is just a cover for this. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this part with this one. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm just gonna remove this plastic here. I'm gonna remove the plastic. This part comes off really easy. We're just gonna set that away. You're gonna notice this tube right here, which has 2 holes here. We're not gonna need those holes. The only hole that we care about is gonna be this one in the middle. So right here, just pull it, push it up, and then align it so that it looks like that. I wish you could see, but I aligned it right there for the screw to go in. The screw that's gonna go right here. The screw that's going in here, it's gonna be this screw. So you just take the part as it is, take this other one, and then you're aligning the 2 holes. This one and this screw. And you're gonna need this tool. But you want to loose enough so that it can open and close like this. Also, just so you know, as you begin to tighten this screw, this piece of metal here goes down, it depresses, and so that's what's going to hang on to the bar. Then we're going to connect this to our bar, and all you do, slide it in. Slide it in like that. Then we're gonna grab the cap so that you can read it. You're gonna notice there's these 3 lines right here. Those are the ones that go under. So they're gonna align to this. And you're gonna hear that click. And when you're looking at it, you're gonna be able to read it. So it's not gonna be like upside down. So now it looks like this. This is loose, and this is loose. Now we're just gonna go to the car, and we're gonna put this here, align it where we want it, and then lock this in with this screw. And again, as I showed you earlier, for this particular configuration, I didn't use any of these screws. I believe I was looking at the instructions and it looks like these are for some different models, but it's not going to be for this model or this particular setup. So if you're not doing it for this setup, you might have to do some research and you might end up needing these screws.